Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new Scoop, Free Assembly, and Sofia Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First up are these sneak peek sweaters from Scoop. It has that high neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed oversized wrist, the ribbed bottom, and then that same kind of fit through the back. How pretty is this mint? And these are going to be $26. Right next to that new gray blazer from Scoop. This one has this smaller collar, lapel, one button, two flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the buttons, and then it's completely lined on the inside with that same kind of fit with the longer length through the back. These are going to be $38. New sweaters from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, gold buttons, ribbed with the ribbed wrist. And then the same in the back. Only seeing these in the navy, and they're going to be $24. Navy sweater also comes in the stripe, and then right next to that is this new boat neck button top. This one has the ribbon, gold buttons, relaxed through the wrist, also through the body, in the pink and white. Also comes in the blue, and they're $16. Also new Argyll sweater. I think these might be from the men's and they just got put here by accident, but these have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, and they are going to be $20. Also new pink crew neck sweater from Free Assembly. These have that ribbed neckline, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This is the medium, so there's good length, and then the same fit through the back, and they are going to be $20. Also new sweatshirts from Free Assembly. These have that wrap front, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, little slit, some length in the back, and they're $24. Then to match, they have these sweatpants. These have that elastic waistband, drawstring, the two front pockets, tapered leg with the same detail. It's the same French terry with that same kind of fit through the back, and they are $22. New one shoulder tops from Sofia. So these have the thicker strap, scoops down, ruching on the side, same fit through the back. I think this one was also like a very similar style they had last year. So in the leopard, also in the solid black, and they're $16. Also new dress from Scoop. This one has that smaller collar, the little keyhole fabric covered button, drop sleeve, the button on the wrist. This is the extra, extra large, so it is a shorter length. It's satin fabric with that seam in the back, and they are going to be $26. Also new crew neck tees from Scoop. So these have that high neckline, longer sleeve, fitted through the body. This is the medium, so they are smaller fit. In the white, also in the baby blue and the black, and they're $9. New faux leather dresses from Scoop. These have the smaller collar, full button, belt, relaxed sleeve. It's a shorter length. The material is so nice. That's what it looks like on the inside, like a super soft suede, and then has really good seam detail. This one is going to be $36. Also new pinstripe button-down oversized shirt from Scoop. So this has the contrast collar, has the button detail on the wrist. It's a little bit of a bell style. So it looks like you can see it's oversized with the diagonal stripe, and then really good length with the little slit. So this is the extra small. I think it would be too short to wear as a dress. Maybe you could do little shorts, but it has that seam detail in the back. So it comes in the gray and white pinstripe with the white collar. Also the solid white option. I'm seeing so many looks styled with these oversized white button down. So really cute for now. Also going to be perfect for spring, and they're $24. We saw these textured collared tops from Sofia. Now I'm seeing the matching pants. So they have a side button, zip, cargo pocket, elastic at the bottom, nice and flowy. In the green, also comes in the black, and they're $24. If you missed those tops, these have that split V, the little shoulder detail, elastic on the wrist, which I kind of like with the little matching jogger. twist front, and then the same kind of fit through the back. These also probably come in that black color, and these are $22. Also new drop tier dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the smaller collar, snap buttons, 2 front pockets, oversized balloon sleeve with that drop tier at the bottom. You could see the gathering, nice and flowy. In the olive, also comes in navy, and they're $32. In the same color, they have the little scallop trim skirt. So this has an elastic waistband, drawstring, full buttons. They're functioning with the embroidered eyelet trim through the front, and then it also goes all the way around the back. In the green, also comes in the navy, and they're $26. Also new bubble skirts from Scoop. So these have a flat front, it's a flowy fit. This is the 0, so they're not too short, and then it has the zipper in the back. Only seeing the black, and they're $22. Also new belted dress from Free Assembly. So this has the ruffled neckline, buttons up into the waist, elastic, and then a dolman sleeve with a little ruffle trim and a drop tier. Super flowy. Also comes with the belt to bring it in, and they're $34. New boxy tees from Sofia Vergara. So these have a little bit of a boat neckline, a shorter boxy fit through the front and the back, in the white, and they're $8. And then right next to it's a new denim skirt from Sofia Vergara. So this has the grommet detailing. This is going to be a huge trend for 2025. Little like studded jeans, tops, accessories. Has the whiskering seam detail with the slit to midi length, and then pockets on the back, and they're $24. Also new denim from Sofia. So this is a wide, super high rise, stretchy, has the whiskering, and then I love the seam detail through the leg. Has the same kind of fit through the back. And they are going to be $26. They have a new piece that matches back to these tops. So I know these were on sale. I don't know if they're, you know, restocking or if these were just sent late. But their skirts are really cute from Free Assembly. They have the side zip belt fitted through the waist, and then it flows in the front and back. And these are going to be, yeah, they look like they're online only, so it'll be linked down below. New little collared tops from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar. It's a half button, little shoulder detail, a nice stretchy ribbed material. It's fitted through the wrist, really good length through the back. Comes in the navy, also in solid white, and they are going to be $18. Two solid blazers from Free Assembly. So these have the smaller collar, lapel, the one button, has the slotted pocket, the little V design, relaxed through the wrist, and then the seam detail in the back. We saw the navy, but now I'm also seeing comes in the pink, and these are going to be $38. And then also new little embroidered button down from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full button, a little bit of a drop sleeve, button on the wrist, scoops in the middle, a little bit length, just like a tiny bit of length in the back with the seam. And it comes in the blue, also in white. Could see the detail through the sleeve, and these are $24. New short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline, smaller gold buttons, a little shoulder detail, and it's ribbed trim, the ribbed bottom. In the white, also comes in navy, and they're $22. New trench coats from Free Assembly. So these have the mid-size collar, full tortoise button, the side pocket with the button on the wrist, has a nice oversized belt, and then the seam detail in the back. Comes in the khaki, also in red, and they're $49. These blazers also from Free Assembly with the tweed style. They have the smaller collar, lapel, the one gold button, relaxed through the wrist, and then the same kind of fit through the back. We saw this one in the pink and the blue, and they're $40. New one from Scoop. It has that ribbing at the top, drop sleeve. It's a thinner stretch material, has that rolled hem with the bottom. In the light blue, also comes in white, and these are $24. New scoop flowy skirt. So this is a textured material. It has that elastic waistband. It's flat in the front, nice and flowy in the black. Also comes in the ivory, and they're $28. So we're seeing the match to the pants. I showed those pants a while ago. We just got these in from Free Assembly. Has the drawstring, that seam detail, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, put in the back in the gray and white stripe, also the navy and white stripe, and they're $20. The pants to match have the elastic waistband, drawstring side pocket, true jogger bottom in the gray and navy, and the pants are going to be $20. Also no pleated skirt from Free Assembly. This one has that flat front, elastic through the back, nice and flowy, and they are going to be $26. New pull-on pants from Free Assembly. These have an elastic waistband. It has a smocking with this contrast trim, and then it's also like a poplin material. The pant is super soft, has the squared pocket and then wide leg through the front and back with one pocket. And these are going to be $22. New short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline. It has the ribbing on the sleeve, also the ribbed bottom, and the same fit through the back. In the pink, they have red, navy, and black, and they're $18. Also new flutter sleeve tees from Free Assembly. These have that boat neckline, the flutter sleeve through the front, the little slits on the side, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in white, also in the navy and white stripe, and they're $16. New wide leg chinos from Free Assembly. These are high rise. They have the two front pockets, belt loops, shorter through the leg, and then elastic with pockets in the back, and they're $26. Also new poplin dress from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full button, elastic in the waist. The belt flows out with the button on the wrist, and then the seam in the back, and those are $34. New balloon sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline. It has the gathering. It's a poplin material with the elastic belt, and then it's flowy with pockets. Ties in the back. Also has the smocking to pull it in with a zipper in the red. Also comes in black, and they're $36. New cargo denim from Sofia Vergara. These are high rise. They have the flat pocket, the whiskering, relaxed through the leg. It's the relaxed straight with trouser style pockets in the back, and these are $24. Wide leg jeans from Sofia Vergara. These are high rise. They have the double button, whiskering, flowy, a little bit of fading, pockets on the back, and they are going to be $30 or $24. New faux leather coat from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar zip front, two flat pockets, a little button detail on the shoulder, and then the button on the wrist. The seam fit through the back with the seam detailing, and this one is $38. Also new satin cargo pants from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have the pork chop pocket. Also comes with the belts, a nice flowy leg with pockets in the back in the green, and they are going to be $28. New metallic pants from Scoop. These have a high rise, pockets straight through the leg. It's called the stovepipe. I've had this cut before from them in denim. There's like my favorite jeans, and these are going to be $29. New denim from Scoop. These look like a high rise. They have an ankle length flare, and then same kind of fit through the back. They're $24. New dress from Sofia Vergara. This one has that higher neckline, has the shoulder pads ruching, that same kind of fit through the back with the little opening in the red. Also comes in the black, and they are going to be $24. Sneak peek top from Scoop. So this is very 60s. It has that floral embellishment, the smaller collar, Henley buttons fitted through the wrists, has the same fit through the back, and they are $26. New sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have a ribbed scoop neckline, the side seam detailing, oversized ribbed wrist with that oversized ribbed bottom. You could see it has that raw hem, and then the same kind of fit through the back. They're a nice heavier weight. These are going to be $26. It's from Free Assembly. It has that scoop neckline, relaxed sleeve, the drop tier in this tweed print, so it looks like a post, has the zipper in the back. In the navy and white, also in the black, and they're $34. To go with the dresses, they have these jackets from Free Assembly. These have that tweed fringe detailing, gold buttons, 2 flat pockets, relaxed through the wrist. It is completely lined on the inside with this really soft fabric, and the same fit through the back. They are going to be $38. It comes in the navy and white plaid, and then also the solid white. New tees from Free Assembly. So these have a crew neckline. It's a relaxed sleeve, that boxy fit in the blue and white stripe, solid black, gray and white, and they're $8. And then on this side they have the new like fitted style. So these have a crew neckline. They're super soft and stretchy. They have the seam detail in the back. These feel really good. Let me see the material. So they're almost 100% cotton, and then the rest is spandex. I could feel they have a nice like stretchiness to it. In the light blue, the navy, this really pretty red and white, only $8. Don't wait on them, they're really good basic. Also new ballet flats from Scoop. These have the square toe. We saw these in some other colors, now they have them in the pink. I'm pretty sure these are on sale online for like $10. Free Assembly sweaters. So these have that boat neckline, the little button detail drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, has the ribbed bottom in that navy and white stripe, also in the white with the light blue stripe, and they are going to be $26. New cardigan from Free Assembly. This one has that ribbed neckline, the gold buttons, the 2 front pockets, relaxed through the wrist with the ribbing. It's a shorter fit, but relaxed. This is the medium in the red. I'm also now seeing it in the black, and these are going to be $28. Faux leather cargo pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket. You could do wide leg or jogger style, and then that has the same kind of fit through the back. And these are $32. Are from Scoop high rise. These are the straight crop. I'm pretty sure they're sold out online. They have a couple sizes left, and they're $29. New rib tops from Free Assembly. They have that higher neckline, the little shoulder detail, fitted through the wrist, also in the body. In the fuchsia, also comes in black, and they're $14. Scoop faux fur vest. This one has that hook and eye closure, satin lining through the whole front. It's an oversized fit. This is the medium, and they're $48. And then also new from Free Assembly is this little like twist poplin. So it also has the puff sleeve, flowy tiers all the way down through the front and the back, and these are $36. Ripped flare jeans. These are from Sofia Vergara. They're high rise whiskering. This is one of their newer colors, and then also the denim is a little thicker than usual, and then the pockets on the back, but the same amount of stretch. These are $24. Pairing it with this sneak peek skirt from Scoop. So this has that little pleated detailing. It's a nice length, has the elastic through the back. They are going to be $24. We also have these new thinner turtlenecks from Free Assembly. So these fold over once, has that oversized ribbed wrist. This is the small. It is a little relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom in the gold. Also comes in black, and they are going to be $20. Also on sale are the Sofia Vergara skinny jeans. So they're high rise. They have some whiskering fitted through the ankle. Regularly $24. They're on sale for $16.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.